Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to scan a QR code in the Nike app. Really easy and simple to basically scan the Nike product. So first things first, of course, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and launch the Nike app on your smartphone. And if you don't have it yet, guys, go ahead and download it from the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android and go ahead and log in to your Nike account. Then what you're going to do, guys, is you want to look for the scan icon or option within the app's main menu. It's typically located in the search bar or a dedicated scan section, okay? Go ahead and do that, and then you just want to position your phone's camera over the QR code on the Nike product and make sure the QR code is well lit and within the camera's frame. And once scanned, guys, the Nike app will basically, automatically fetch information about the product linked to the QR code, and you can go ahead and view details such as product features, availability, and purchasing options. And of course, depending on your interest, you can also add the product to your cart, wish list, or explore similar items. So you can basically shop or save for later. And then you can just follow the prompts within the app to basically finalize your purchase or save the item for future consideration. Really easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. Turn on those bell notifications so you get notified of the next video, and I'll see you in the next one.